comic is getting terrifying. What's the next one? A big dog stole Hobbs. Susie found him. Tea party. Yeah. Calvin's naked with the cookie jar. Calvin, what on earth are you doing in the without your clothes on? This video would be so embarrassing if my brother Rex... Hey, what's that other thing? Showed up on the screen? Headbook? Brother Rex's Headbook account. My brother Rex just sent that video to his Headbook account. For all of his friends. Uh-oh. I'm an idiot. Jimmy, and guess what? I have a school dance today. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Thumbs up to me. Thumbs up to me, my darling. Well, bit of a sore throat. Well, anyway, I have a school dance today with Samantha. That's right. Today at 7 o'clock, I'm going to the school. It's kind of like a little prom thing, but not really a prom at all. Well, look at this dirty shirt, how filthy it is. I gotta change it. This shirt seems nice, and I'll just put it over top. This will only take a minute of your time, folks. See, I am so stupid. Look at my hair. I put my shirt on backwards. Well, anyway, that. Oh, remember last time how I had a friend named Johnny, and then he hit me, and then I had a friend named Ben, and how they had the chess duel? Well, guess who won the chess duel? Ben. Ben won the chess duel. That's right, guys. Not Johnny, but Ben. Me and Ben were friends for 2 months, but then Ben moved away. Now, I could be friends with Johnny again, but I think I'll just wait a while. So, for now, I have no friends. But I am dating Samantha, so it's not the end of the world, right? Yep. Well, I gotta get my hair ready for the school dance. Oh, and check out this necklace I bought online. That's right, guess how much? It was $5. I used my brother Rex's money. Nice. And I also got this ring. It was an extra $1 on Rex's money as well. Pretty cool. I buy all sorts of things online with my brother Rex's money. Yep. Oh, wait. Jimmy, are you using my money? I overheard what you were saying, young man. I'm sorry, Rex. I'm sorry, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Rex, we'll deal with this later, Jimmy. Fair enough, my friends. Fair enough. Well, I gotta get going to the school dance soon. What? How do I look? This fix up my hair. Yeah. I'll talk to you when I get back from the dance. So long. Well, the school dance was actually pretty fun, to be honest. I got to dance. Well, Johnny was there, and he asked if we could be friends, and I said, we'll think about it on my free time. Which is okay, I guess. But it's not really just me, for example, because the school dance will be okay. You know what I'm saying? I need to get my messages on that straight, okay? Although, I could be saying things about... Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is that the school dance wasn't that great. And that other things too. Yeah, I'm not really doing anything in the meantime, if you know what I'm saying. But, although, the town fair is coming up. So, I'll be doing some other things. So long.